When I first tried the Ninja SP101, I was impressed by how quickly it cooked and how much counter space it saved. But after using the Ninja SP201, I started to see the extra benefits of its larger cooking area and higher heat options. At first glance, both ovens look similar. They share the same sleek silver design, flip-up storage feature, and digital controls. But when you actually use them day to day, you'll notice differences that could really affect how you cook. Based on my personal use of both models, here's a simple breakdown to help you decide which one fits your kitchen and lifestyle best. Links to access the best prices are in the video description. Hey everyone, welcome to Versus Lab. Let's get started. Ninja SP101 versus Ninja SP201. Detailed comparison. Both the Ninja SP101 and Ninja SP201 are part of Ninja's Foodie Digital Air Fry oven lineup. They share a similar flip-up design, multiple cooking functions, and a stainless steel finish, but they are made for slightly different needs. While the SP101 is compact and perfect for fast meals and small kitchens, the SP201 adds a more cooking space and higher temperature settings for added flexibility. Here's a detailed side-by-side comparison based on my experience with both ovens. Design and kitchen fit. Ninja SP101. Sleek, minimal, and designed for smaller kitchens. The flip-up feature really helps save space, and it doesn't overwhelm your counter. On the other hand, Ninja SP201 also has a flip-up design, but it's taller and a little bulkier. Still very space efficient, just not quite as compact as the SP101. Looks more modern and sturdy. Cooking functions and versatility. Ninja SP101. This oven offers 8 cooking functions: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and keep warm. It's a good selection for everyday cooking tasks like toasting bread, reheating leftovers, or air frying snacks, but it lacks advanced options like roasting at high temperatures or quick broiling. In contrast, the SP201 takes it a step further with 10 functions. It includes all the features of the SP101 plus reheat and rapid bake modes. The extra functions and the ability to reach 500 degrees Fahrenheit make it better for roasting meats, baking pizzas, and preparing larger or more complex meals. Size and cooking capacity. The SP101 has a more compact build, which is great for tight counter spaces. It can fit up to 6 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza, but it's a tight squeeze. It's ideal for cooking small batches or for individuals and couples. Ninja SP201. With a taller interior and larger tray, it fits more food. You can roast a full tray of vegetables, cook up to 6 chicken breasts, or fit bulkier dishes. If you cook for a family or like meal prepping, the added space really helps. Heat, power, and temperature range. The SP101 tops out at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is enough for most baking and air frying needs, but not ideal for high heat searing or quick broiling. It also preheats quickly in just about 60 seconds. The SP201 goes up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it better for searing meats or getting crispy finishes on foods like pizza and roasted veggies. It takes slightly longer to preheat, but the higher heat expands your cooking options. Build and design. The SP101 is slim, lightweight, and has a space-saving flip-up feature. It's easy to move and fits nicely in smaller kitchens. But the tray and height are more limited, and the build feels a little lighter. The SP201 is a bit bulkier and heavier, but in a good way. It feels sturdier and more solid. It also flips up for storage like the SP101, but it needs more counter depth when in use. Overall, it looks and feels more premium. Ease of cleaning. The SP101, the crumb tray pulls out easily from the front, and the wire rack and sheet pan are simple to wipe clean. But because the oven is smaller, it can be a little trickier to clean inside if food splatters. On the other hand, cleaning the SP201 is just as easy, but the added space inside makes it more convenient to wipe down after cooking. The accessories are dishwasher safe, and the larger tray catches more drips and crumbs.
Performance and daily use. Ninja SP101. Great for quick meals like toast, reheating pizza, or making crispy fries. The fast preheat and compact size make it super convenient. But if you're cooking full meals often, it might feel limiting over time. Ninja SP201. Feels more like a full-sized oven in a compact body. You can do more in it. Roast vegetables, bake casseroles, or prepare multiple items at once. It's more versatile and performs better with larger meals. Price and value. Ninja SP101. It's the more affordable option, perfect for people who want air frying and basic oven features without spending too much. Best suited for singles, couples, or light users. Ninja SP201 costs a bit more but offers better cooking power, more functions, and greater space. If you cook often or for more people, it's worth the extra investment. Final verdict. So, what's my final recommendation? Go with the Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro. If you need more cooking space, higher temperature settings, and extra versatility for family meals or batch cooking, the Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro countertop 8-in-1 oven is the better pick. Its smart cook system and wider range of functions give you more control, whether you're air frying, baking, or reheating. But if you're short on space and mostly cook smaller portions or quick snacks, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is still a great compact choice that heats up fast and gets the job done efficiently. Links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.